Hey everybody, this is the planet Earth here, and today I am going to be showing you why in front of a cold front usually you get some severe thunderstorms, and why the winds pick up from the south when a cold front is on its way. So right now the current temperature on my thermometer says 105 Fahrenheit, which I think is a little bit exaggerated. I think it's more like 97. Close to 100 though. I actually let me look at the actual temperature. It's 98 degrees. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys the precipitation depiction. So this gives you a really good idea using the radar systems on which way the wind is blowing from. If you look very closely, you'll see that the wind is coming out of the southeast to east and south, flying up to the north. See this? That is all the humidity that's in the air, okay? Now, as we head north towards KWX, which is the radar for pretty much all south central Texas, you'll really see that this radar does a really good job on picking up all the humidity that's in the air and clouds. Well, it's mainly humidity. That is in, if you can see right there, you'll see that all that humidity is going all over all these counties. And you'll see that San Antonio right here is getting a lot of humidity. Now let me show you something as the cold front comes through. Now it's going to go from 90s to possibly the upper 40s in less than 24 hours. So right now it's hot as heck outside, almost 100 degrees. And then if you just go a little bit here towards KDYX, check this out. Now here's the cold front. This is not a cool front. I'm going to consider this one a cold front because of the simple fact that, well, it's going to bring the temperatures from the 90s to the 40s in less than 24 hours. So, like I said, Texas has some of the most extreme temperature changes possibly in the world. Suddenly, 1 minute it's 100 degrees, and literally the next minute it'll be in the 50s by tomorrow, and 70s for highs, and then 50s are. And if you live in the higher elevations of Bexar County, or if you live in the higher elevations of Austin, Austin period, you might get down, or if you live on the outskirts of the cities, you might get down to the upper 40s. Now, this is not very extreme for Texas per se, but it's extreme because of the time that this is happening. Right now, it is hot as hell outside. It's almost 100 degrees, okay? And my thermometer said it's over 100 degrees. So maybe in certain spots of the city, it does get hotter than what the weather stations say. But, you know, I put two thermometers outside and they both say it's 100. So, officially it might not be 100, but it's very close. But we're scheduled to get down to 49 to 50. So that'll be over a 50 degree difference in temperatures in 24-hour period. Now, what shocks me is, as you can see right here, let me show you. You can see that the cold front is coming really quickly, and you can see the south wind is clashing with the northern wind. And you can actually see the humidity is getting destroyed by that flow of cold air. Not cool air, cold air. I'm going to say cold air because of the simple fact that it's cold air. This isn't normal. It's not even normal to be. We shouldn't even be getting this hot right now. Let me show you, look. If you look here, it's all southerly wind. But then if you look closely, you'll see that northern wind coming. And you can look, it's even pushing off a little shower right there because the humidity got up in the air and now there's a cold front coming through. But you can see all the humidity in the air that it's not really, how humid is it? Oh, it's not too humid, but there is humidity in the air. And as you can see, this cold front, is coming down pretty fast actually. And it should be here, I say, in the middle of the night. But it ain't going to cool the temperatures down till that real cold air gets through here. Now, if you want to see how crazy this is, look at KSRX. There are some severe thunderstorms right now. Okay? And then look at Oklahoma City. Alright? This is how strong this cold front is, and the temperature change, how dramatic it is. As you look carefully, you can see the winds are coming out of the northwest, going south. Now, if I go like this, I say, hey Siri. Hey Siri. Okay, well, it doesn't want to answer it for some reason. Alright, well, anyways, Hey Google, okay Google. I'll just plug Alexa in so you can hear her say stupid shit. Give me a second. So anyways, as you can see, right now, the wind is actually coming out of the northwest. But if you look at Dallas, it's coming out of the south pretty strongly too. That's actually pretty crazy how fast the wind is going to change here. You see the cold front outline right about right here? It's about right there. Bowie, Decatur. It's about to hit Decatur. And right now it's actually kind of windy from the south, coming from Fort Worth. Alexa, what is the current temperature in Oklahoma City? Alexa, volume 7.
Right now, in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, it's 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 38 degrees.
God damn. Okay, so in that short amount of time, right now, watch this. Let's see how far Oklahoma City is from Dallas, okay? Let's see how far. Okay, you ready? 200 miles, okay? So, wait, that's not right. It's okay, about 200 miles. Okay, so in a 200-mile span at this moment, right? Hey, Alexa, what is the current temperature in Dallas, Texas?
Right now, in Dallas, Texas, it's 90 degrees Fahrenheit.
It is 90 degrees.
A low of 46 degrees.
And it's going to get down to 46 degrees in Dallas, Texas, and it was just 90 degrees, or 94 or 93 degrees in Dallas. And in the same night, it's going to drop to the 40s, so 80, 70, 60, 50, 40. That is a 50-degree difference. So it was just burning hot. Right now, it's still hot in Dallas as of this video. But then the second that cold front comes through, in just a few hours, it's going to get down to the 40s. Hey, Alexa, what's the current temperature in Oklahoma City? Alexa, current temperature in Oklahoma City.
Right now, in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, it's 64 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 38 degrees.
38 degrees. So, let's just distance Wichita from Dallas. Okay, that's only 400 miles, right? That's about 360. It's about 330, we'll say 340 miles, right? Alexa, what's the current temperature in Wichita?
Right now, in Wichita, Kansas, it's 48 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 34 degrees.
Almost freezing in Wichita. 400-mile difference. The temperatures are that dramatic in a 400-mile difference. So from Wichita to Dallas right now, in a 400-mile span, it's 90 degrees in Dallas, and it's cold as heck in Wichita. It's already 64 degrees in Oklahoma City. So a 30-some-odd degree difference within 200 miles. That's a very powerful cold front. And once these little storms pass Wichita Falls and into Dallas, Dallas will cool down quick. Real quick. Like, that's how quick it is. As for San Antonio, just a second. As you can see, we have a very strong southerly breeze right now. Look at this. It's just very straightforward south to north wind, even on surface levels, and you can just see how powerful that is. But if you look at this radar over here, you can start to see the cold front is already starting to hit these counties up here near west of Abilene and Abilene, Texas. So let's ask Alexa, what is the current temperature in Abilene?
Right now, in Abilene, Texas, it's 93 degrees Fahrenheit.
That won't last
Tonight,
for long.
Expect a low of 42 degrees.
Okay, she just said that right there. 42 degrees tonight. And it's right now at 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40. That is a almost 50 degree difference in less than 24 hours. Alexa, what is the current temperature in San Antonio?
Right now, it's 96 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 60 degrees.
60 degrees. Okay, listen. 90, okay, that's not as dramatic, but that's also because it's a lot hotter here. And we're not as far north as Wichita Falls and Abilene. But you just heard, Alexa, what is the current temperature in San Angelo?
Right now, in San Angelo, Texas, it's 93 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 47 degrees.
Okay, 83, 73, 63, 43. That's over a 30 degree difference, but Abilene is going to see the most dramatic change in temperature. Abilene, Alexa, what is the current temperature in Abilene?
Right now, in Abilene, Texas, it's 93 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 42 degrees.
Okay, from 93 Fahrenheit to 42 Fahrenheit, that is 83, 73, 63, 43. That is a 50 degree difference. 93, 83, 73, 63, 53, 43. That is a 50 degree difference. That's insane. I'm telling you, this is insane. Like, you don't understand this. I remember back in the old days when it would be 100 degrees in September or October. Back when I was a child, we didn't have insulation in our house, so if it was 100 degrees, it was 100 degrees inside the house. Now, when I was growing up and it was 100 degrees outside, when a cold front would come through, a very strong cold front like this, you could literally feel the heat leave the house. No joke. You could actually feel the physical heat leave the house. Like, when you open the door, you could feel the heat getting sucked out of the house. That's how fast the temperature can change with these cold fronts in South Texas and North Texas. The temperature change is so dramatic, it will literally suck the heat out of the house. That's how dramatic the temperature is. Within 10 minutes, it can drop 20 degrees in 10 minutes. So, like right now, my thermometer, it says 105. So, within 20 minutes of a strong cold front, it can go down to 85. And with an hour, it can go down to the 70s. Within 2 hours, it goes down to the 40s and 50s. In 2 hours, it could change 30 degrees. No joke. So, you could literally open your windows and cool your house down in seconds. Because of the pressure change from heat to cold, there's actually a pressure change too. So this whole thing is actually pretty amazing. It's just temperature, but a 50 degree difference is phenomenal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. But yeah, no, you heard it. It's 93 degrees in Abilene right now, and it's about to get down to the 40s. So, extreme heat to cold in less than 24 hours. That's Texas for you.